Alright, so I thought I'd do another example just in case you wanted it. Alright, so this is not like, you don't have to watch this one. But what I'm going to do is factor the top and factor the bottom, and then cancel out any common factors. Alright, so first off, on the GCF, the top has a negative for the leading term, so I know I'm going to factor out a negative. And if you look here, they all have a 2 in common, so I'm going to factor out a 2. Alright, so the 2x squared part's just going to become an x squared. The 4x is going to become a negative 2x. Notice if I multiplied the negative 2 back by this negative 2, I would get my positive 4. And then the 48 becomes a 24. Alright, all that divided by. And then on the bottom, see here, they have an x in common, so I know I'm going to factor out an x. Probably an 8. Let's see if 8 goes into 128. Divided by 8. It does, 16 times. Cool. Alright, so I'm going to factor out an 8 and an x from these. Alright, so that means that first one is going to become an x to the second power. Alright, and then minus, it was 16. So if I divide that by 8, I get 16. Alright. So what do I need to do now? Now I can go ahead and factor, or I can go ahead and simplify the 2 and the 8. So that'll be a negative 1. And the 8 would become a 4. I still have my x. Alright, the bottom one is going to be difference of squares. So x squared minus 16 is going to become x minus 4 and x plus 4. And then on the top, I need two numbers that multiply to 24, and they will subtract to give me 2. So they multiply to 24, and they subtract to give me 2. Alright, that's 4 and 6. Okay, let's see here. They are different signs because this one's a negative, the last term's a negative, and the bigger number needs to be negative. So I'll put the negative there and the plus sign there. Nice. So now it's all in factored form. Every bit of it's in factored form. I can cancel this x plus 4 with that x plus 4. So my remaining answer, I'm going to take this negative, that negative 1, I'm just going to put it on the bottom. So on the bottom, I'm going to hit negative 4x, and then an x minus 4. And then on top, the only thing I have left is an x minus 6. Hopefully that's pretty clear. I hope so. Alright, let me know if you guys have any questions.